friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making ramen noodles in a microwave. To cook ramen in a microwave, all you need is a package of ramen noodles and enough water to cover the noodles, and you also need a microwave safe bowl. So let's open a package of ramen and put it in a microwave safe bowl. And there's also a seasoning packet. Let's set it aside for later. So I will break up a brick of ramen, just so it's easier to cover it with water. And now add enough water to cover the ramen. I will add a little bit more since the top is sticking out. So this was about 2.5 cups of water for one package of ramen. And now let's take our bowl with ramen to the microwave. And I will put it in the microwave and first set it to 2 minutes on high. And this is not a final time, we'll be microwaving it more later. Now once 2 minutes are up, let's open the microwave and I'm going to stir the ramen. So the ones on top go on the bottom so it cooks more evenly. And also break them up as well because now they're softer so they're easier to break up. So we're mixing it for more even cooking. And now let's put it back in a microwave. And I will microwave it on high for an additional 2 minutes. Now it's done cooking, so let's take a look. So here are perfectly cooked ramen noodles in a microwave. They're soft and cooked. Now this is very hot, so you can either let it stand in the microwave for a few minutes to have it cool down, or carefully transfer it from the microwave. I'm just going to use my oven mitts because the bowl is extremely hot. So I'm going to take it out of the microwave. And now let's add the flavoring packet. And now let's mix it so the seasoning is evenly distributed. And this is super hot, so let it stand for a few minutes before you can eat it. Now it cooled down a little, so I'm so excited to try it. It looks so good. Let's try it. Delicious. This ramen tastes amazing and it was so easy to make it in the microwave. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!